Hypotenuse AI claims to be a game changer for content creators, but does it really deliver on that promise? If you're looking for a reliable AI writing tool, you might want to stick around as we dive into its features and performance. Hypotenuse AI is designed to help users generate high-quality written content quickly. It focuses on a range of writing tasks, from blog posts to product descriptions, making it appealing for marketers and content creators alike. The interface is pretty straightforward, which is great for beginners, but it also offers enough tools to keep more experienced users engaged. The AI uses a combination of prompts and context to produce content, which can save you a ton of time. However, one thing that stands out is the occasional inconsistency in tone and style. While the initial drafts can be impressive, they sometimes require a fair bit of editing to match your unique voice. It's worth noting that the platform lacks some advanced features like SEO optimization or integration with popular content management systems, which might leave some users wanting more. Overall, it feels like a solid starting point for those new to AI writing tools, but seasoned pros might find it lacking in depth. On the plus side, Hypotenuse AI is user-friendly and can generate content quickly, which is a huge time saver. The pricing seems reasonable for what's offered, especially for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. However, there are a few drawbacks. The inconsistency in writing quality can be frustrating, particularly if you're looking for polished, ready-to-publish content. Plus, the lack of SEO features might deter marketers who need to optimize their content for search engines. Also, while the platform is designed for various writing tasks, it may not fully cater to niche topics. So if your content needs to be highly specialized, you might want to consider other options. In short, while it's a decent tool, it may not suit everyone's needs, especially if you're looking for something more robust. So, should you give Hypotenuse AI a try? If you're just starting out with AI content writing and need something straightforward, it could be worth exploring. However, if you're an experienced writer or require more advanced features, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, proceed with cautious optimism.